We're here with John Green and Lanaki Apele after the Kingsmen defeated Pomona Pitzer 63-61 tonight. Lanaki, you started the last few games. You've played a very instrumental role in the success of the Kingsmen through those games, and you contributed all over the court tonight. You had 11 points, 6 assists. You played great defense. Can you talk about how you've prepared for this opportunity?
Well, playing against Eric Smith and Dan Wade every day in practice really helped me to be able to step up basically and take this opportunity that I have and make the most of it. I mean, after all my years here, I feel like I'm a little bit of a vet, so I was glad I had this opportunity to show what I can do for the team.
And John, you're a senior on this team. You've shown leadership throughout the course of the season. You've played a lot of minutes. You also contribute almost every single game, and you were out on the court tonight during this hard-fought victory. You guys are going to the final stretch of the season. How do you use a game like tonight that's close, it's intense, you've got the crowd in it on your side, and how do you stay focused, and how are you going to use those as we get to the end of the season and going to, hopefully, the playoffs?
Yeah, we just got to learn from these close games and carry it over to the end of conference and hopefully into the playoffs and have some success.
Great. Congratulations on the win tonight, you guys, and good luck the rest of the season.
Thank you.